Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Now let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, as you can see, price action still continues its journey inside this consolidation. That looks like the channel, or on the weekly chart as we have talked on it on the weekend. It's look like the flag pattern, and we really put the great hopes on the breakout of this consolidation, because as we expect, it's probably the breakout will, or better to say, should give us the direction, whatever the breakout will be. Either the failure breakout to the upside or downward breakout or something of that sort. So depending on the price of this range should trigger investors to more active position managing. So this drop below of the 13 even area should force investors starting to take profit on the recent rally or rally of current year, because as you understand, the end of the financial year is close. In December there will be rate hike, as many investors expect. So usually financial year is closing in October, November. So that's why in October we will not get the Fed meeting. So that's why the dropping below 13 even will be a really significant event, and investors really could start to close the longs on the gold market. Something of that sort. But right now, as you can see, price still stands inside of this range, and that's why here we don't have any clear patterns or something of that sort. Right now, as you can see, I keep on the chart both lines. The first one is, if you remember, this was our initial triangle consolidation. That line has appeared when the market shows the failure breakout here and shows this upward action. So it's short Napoli failure breakout pattern has been formed and worked nice. Right now what we have, gold is dropping out from the resistance, this trend line. Trend still keeps bullish here, and right now market stands at the support. So it has reached former line support, monthly pivot point, okay, on the daily chart. That's why minor bounce probably here we could get. Also, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that this is also minor 618 support, 1320. From this low to this top, 618 support area. So from this most recent swing, this is the 618 level. That's why minor bounce here could happen. Also, guys, previous few hours market has completed and formed here bearish grabber, this small candle in the chart. Theoretically, if price will not erase this pattern soon, this grabber suggests that market should form some kind of the pattern that suggests taking out of these lows. That's why it could become some kind of the minor double bottom, or on the hourly chart, for example, or this could be the butterfly pattern here, if of course this pattern will survive. So I'm not sure. This pattern itself very small, and market standing higher right now. Anyway, this in fact it's not really interesting for us, because for us is more interesting the final point of this upward action. Yesterday, guys, if you remember, we have discussed this drop, and as market has taken out all the targets on the way down, we have started from this A, B, C top. First we have traded downward action to the 100%, then 1618, and due to this acceleration, we said that probably market really could show some downward continuation. This really has happened until market has met this support area that we have just discussed. Right now it stands in upward action, and we said as market has exceeded all targets on the way down from the initial ABCD, we should treat all these actions, so we need to increase the scale of the action. And right now we treat all this action as the single AB leg. So right now we stand in some kind of the BC leg. What this BC leg will become. It depends on the patterns that will be formed. Maybe market will form here some A, B, C, D. Maybe market will form some pattern here that will let us to estimate the potential target. But based on the fib levels, usually gold shows deeper retracements, and that's why it's most probable that we will see some kind of the 1340 area. It's very possible. In this case, we could get some kind of the A, B, C top, D action. Right now, we're mostly are interested in what will happen in the 1340 area in the short-term perspective. Because if market will form here some reversal patterns or something of that sort, that will let us to take the short position with a possible downward continuation on the gold market. That's what we will be watching for in the current week, as we have discussed. Because failure of the market, as we have discussed the situation in the weekly research, failure of the market to pass through this consolidation, dropping lower here, is the fifth swing inside of this consolidation. Usually on the fifth swing, market takes the breakout, suggests that downward action at least to the bottom of this flag or this channel looks very probable. That's why we particularly will be watching for possible sell signals in this area. In this area. Let's see how the BC leg will be formed, what we will get here. That's probably all that we could do right now on the gold market. It's nothing really very interesting is going on here. Some minor pattern you probably could find on the 15-minute chart to trade, but right now on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart, we do not see something really interesting. So maybe if for example, market will form here something, let's say this maybe some kind of the butterfly will be formed or something that sort, that could become interesting. So we could try to trade it even to the upside. But right now, we do not see anything of that sort. That's why we just wait what will happen with this large ABCD pattern and whether we will get something around resistance. So that's our view on the gold market right now. It seems that all that we could do here is just to wait a bit and see what will happen on this retracement up.